Hey guys, very random inflatable channel here, back with another video. This is gonna be on an inflatable I got recently, and it is a 3.5 foot tall Frosty the Snowman holding a wreath. As you could tell, it is from Dollar General. I got it. It is like $20, which is it's a little bit expensive to buy the inflatables there. I did notice the box for this inflatable, like this really small inflatable, it's actually a bit wider than like the Walmart 4-footer box, or 3.5 footers, I should say. Those Walmart inflatable boxes that look like a rectangular prism, if you know what I'm talking about, if you ever go to Walmart anymore, or if most inflatable collectors go to Walmart, because that's where the cheapness goes. Yeah, I haven't opened this yet. So yeah, this is the side. This is the side, and this is the back. 2019 Focus, Warner Brothers. So yeah, I can tell this is a licensed inflatable. So yeah, let's get all the contraptions out. There's an adapter. Of course, your generic instructions. We don't really need that. Get that out of here. You got your usual stakes and tethers, and you got your inflatable contraption itself. Let me fold this out, put the adapter on, and inflate it. So I'll be right back. Alright, now I got them all folded out. The zipper is closed. So yeah, let's plug this up for the first time. And there it goes, inflating. I'm gonna help it up a bit. There's his face. There's his wreath there. Here he is. 3.5 feet tall. There's his little hat up here. Got that flower. There's his face. The LED looks blue on camera, but in real life, the inflatable in real life, it's white actually. There's his body. I will actually show you what he looks like in the dark. As I noticed, this inflatable contraption lights up really well. He has only one LED, like most 3.5 footers have. So yeah, let me turn the light back on. My God, I'm screwing up my language. So this inflatable contraption inflates pretty good. Inflates pretty tightly. This is a wreath. Yeah, I did realize that this inflatable has a smaller cheap fan. I actually thought the cheap fan was bigger than that, but I guess not. Oh well. Yeah, this is just your typical cheap fan Frosty inflatable. Yeah. Thank you all for watching, and see ya. Bye.